So 11.3 number 3 is asking you to find the derivative. Basically what they're asking you to do is the limit as h goes to 0 of what I call the x plus h rule. So let's go ahead and write our function down. And remember, the first time you write it down, you're just going to put parentheses or blank spaces where the x's were. And then we're going to fill in those with the x plus h. So that's what that first part's telling you to do, is put x plus h into your function. So anywhere you see an x, you put x plus h. And remember, in the lecture I was talking about, let's make sure we write down parentheses when we subtract so everything gets distributed properly. And then all you do is write the function in that parentheses. And this will all be over h. And also it's the limit technically as h goes to 0. So we've done this quite a bit now. So this is the limit as h goes to 0. Remember, x plus h and x plus h, you could set up a box method. In my other video I just foiled it out, but this would be x squared, this is xh, this is xh, and this is h squared. So those are like terms. So x plus h squared is x squared plus 2 of the xh terms plus the h squared. Distribute the negative 2, negative 2x minus 2h. Don't forget about this plus 1 right there. And then, because it's in parentheses, the negative sign will distribute to all three. So you have negative x squared plus 2x minus 1, and this is all over h. Then you look for the green things and their opposite. So there's a negative x squared and a positive x squared, a 2x and a negative 2x, a negative 1 and a positive 1. And what you'll notice is the three terms that are left all have h's in them. So limit as h goes to 0. What I'm going to do is factor an h out. So from this term right here, the 2x would stay inside. Here, I have h squared, so only one of the h's is left. And then here, the negative 2 is left. By factoring out the h from each of those terms, now I can cross off the h on top and bottom like that. Don't do these two. That wouldn't work. Only the two that I crossed off. Now we can finally put that 0 in. So the only thing that's left is the 2x minus 2.